some more!
What the heck is that?
Don't worry, my home brother. I'll call Pistachio's drum repair service on this iPhone. Oh, heck yeah!
Did someone call me? Behold my magic powers! Thank you, Luke Pistachio Drum and Repair Services.
How has Pistachio Drum Repair Services helped you?
It's a really nice service. I was sitting there playing the drums as usual, and my bass drum broke, and my buddy called him up, and it was magically fixed. It's amazing.
So I was just playing my drum set as usual, when all of a sudden my snare drum broke.
What? Oh.
Yeah, man, that Luke repair dude is pretty good. Okay, that's stupid. Why am I wearing that? That was stupid.
Yeah, we don't really have very many people for testimonials, so...
Oh, so you made me wear a mask. You made me wear a mask.
Yeah.
I walk in, I zap the drum set, and I leave. Each repair is only 99 payments of 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99,